Oscar Pistorius' defense team continued its case with the testimony of a seventh witness this morning. Anaesthetist Professor Christina Lundgren is an expert in gastric emptying. She was asked to comment about the contents of Reeva Steenkamp's stomach. Lundgren testified that gastric emptying is not an exact science and said there are several factors that can delay the process.
In the ideal world, my lady, after 6 hours of fasting, after this meal, her stomach should probably have been empty. But there are so many unknowns about possible factors that could have delayed gastric emptying that one cannot state it as being a fact, and I would say it would be purely speculative.
Pistorius told the court that he and Steenkamp had a meal of chicken stir-fry at about 7 in the evening. The model died more than 8 hours later, after 3 in the morning. Her stomach wasn't empty, and the state pathologist, Professor Gert Simon, was able to identify the food she had eaten.
Would you not have expected the digestive process to have caused the contents of the stomach to be unrecognizable after 8 hours?
I can't comment on that, my lady.
Okay. But he can, and he did.
Lundgren has stated that she's a practicing clinician and not a forensic pathologist.
Come to theatre and have an empty stomach. But in fact, the anesthetic literature has not been able to prove that there is no solid...
News that moves. eNCA.com.